Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is just an ordinary day where I'll be preparing New Orleans shrimp and corn bisque. Let's get to it. We're going to first start off with some onion, then celery, and what's kind of supposed to be roasted red peppers. And we're just going to saute this together. The onions are ready. I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic. Now I'm going to add the Cajun seasoning. This is my own Casual Chef Cajun seasoning. We're just going to bloom it. Now I'm going to add some chicken broth. And the corn. What I'm going to do is bring this up to a simmer. Okay, now that we're at a simmer, I'm going to add the heavy cream. We'll reduce the heat a little bit. And then we're going to simmer this for about 10 minutes on low, just until it's slightly thickened. We've had just a little bit of technical difficulties. Let me catch you up. You're not that far behind. The simmer is over and the broth and everything has thickened slightly, and I've added the shrimp, and now we're cooking the shrimp. On to the show. The shrimp are nice and pink, and here's your look until the next step. And here's the final presentation of New Orleans shrimp and corn bisque. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.